All right, you guys, I'm going to make some chicken sandwiches tonight. I wanted some cheese Asiago bread. They didn't have it in the store, so we're just going to kind of create our own. I saw this, which was really unique, so I said, let's give this a try. Garlic, herb, cheddar, cheese from Kraft. We're going to hit it with some Mexican style and some Italian. Just gave it a little oil. I'm going to just coat this with some cheese on the top. Then I'm going to get it in the oven to let it bake down when it's nice and bubbly. Alright, here is the bread out of the oven. It looks good. My son is saying that he's so starving. So I'm just pulling it out. I'm going to cut some off for him, put mine back in to get a little bit browner. But here it is, you guys. So this is mine. I said I'll let my cheese get a little darker. So this is my little piece of bread that I'm going to make the chicken sandwich on. I'll come back to show you how I make it up. Yep. Here we go with our sandwich. Grilled chicken, bacon, lettuce. Ooh, no tomatoes. Homemade cheese bread with some ranch dressing, bacon.